Welcome student, this is Meer Hamza, the creator of the channel Launch Mathematics. Today we are going to explore two important concepts in geometry, complementary, supplementary angles and finding the measurements of angles on a straight line, point and vertically opposite angles. So today lesson outline are angles on a straight line, angles at a point, vertically opposite angles. Today we will study these concepts one by one. So keep in touch. So you must have acknowledged about those angles which we studied before in previous videos. So you have no knowledge about these types of angles, right, acute, obtuse, the straight, reflex and full revolution. You are nothing. So today learning outcomes are recall the types of angles, find the measurements of angles on a straight line and find the measurement of angles at a point, find the missing size of an angle giving vertically opposite angles. So in this video I will be able to recognize an angle and measure angles without using a protractor. So this is the time to teach you about complementary angles. 45, 30, 60, the sum of all angles in first quadrant equals to 90. Angles whose sum equals to 90 are complementary angles. Now the angle of a line is equal to 180 degree. Angles whose sum equals to 180 degree are supplementary angles. They lie in second quadrant. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degree. For example, there is two angles x and y where y is equals to 125 degree. So what is the value of x or how much angle x makes with line? So to get the size of x, simply subtract the measure of the given angle from 180 degree. So this is called supplementary angles. Now angles at a point. The sum of angles around a point is always equal to 360 degree. All angles whose sum equals to 360 degree form a circle. For example, if two angles are given from the three angles, so how to find the size of third angle? So we have to add two given angles and subtract from the 360 degree. So how can we prove the statement below? When the two straight lines intersect, the opposite angles formed are equal. What is meant by intersect? Intersect means meet or cross at a point. Two lines meet or cross at a point is called intersect point. Vertically opposite angle. These angles are opposite to each other in relation to the vertex, but they are equal in sizes. For example, there are two lines, angles are A, B, C, D, where A, D, B and C are vertical angles. Now if we have one value, then how much the size of remaining angles? For example, A is equal to 138 degree. So first we have to find the opposite angle of A. Where D is vertical opposite to A, then D is also 138 degree. There is a three ways to find the value of C. Now look at B. B is on the straight line, so sum of 138 degree and B equals to 180 degree. So to find the value of B, we have to subtract 138 degree from 180 degree. Since C is vertically opposite to B, it can be said that its size is also 42 degree. This is the first method to find C. Second method is it can be solved as follows. C equals to 180 degree minus A. As both A and C lie on the line, their sum must be equals to 180 degree. To find the value of C, we have to subtract 138 degree from 180 degree. Third method is as both lines intersect at a point, so sum of all angles must be equal to 360 degree. By putting the value of A, B and D, we will find the size of angle C. So we are acknowledged about angle on a straight line, angle at a point and vertically opposite angles. Angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degree. The sum of all angles around a point is equals to 360 degree. Opposite angles are always equal in size. So I am leaving you with the quote, work, work and only work.